welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means so much to me. Happy 2021. This is the first video I'm starting off with 2021. As always, my dog is chewing his bone in the background, but today's video is all about this Diamond Dazzle stick. I've been wanting to talk about this thing with you guys for a while because I've been loving it. So I wanted to show you guys what it is, show you how it works, what all the hype is about, and basically show you guys what I use it for. So the Diamond Dazzle stick is amazing, and basically what it's meant to do is clean a diamond, clean your ring, and clean your jewelry, a necklace, earrings, literally anything that you want to, spruce up and make shinier and sparklier. This is the go-to. So I love the way this is packaged because it's so sleek. You can just slip it into your purse or your pocket or, a work bag, wherever you need it. And you can just have it ready. It's so easy to use and it takes no time at all. So I love everything about this thing, and it's super affordable on Amazon. You can just go over to Amazon. I'll have it linked down below in the description box and pick one of these up, because once you use it, you will be hooked. So I'll show you what my ring looks like now. It's obviously gorgeous and pretty, but with the wear and tear throughout the day, putting lotion on, doing dishes, dealing with food, or just the dirt around, like in the air, and it gets gunk in it, it just gets less vibrant because stuff is getting on it. So this is where this baby comes into action. So basically it comes in a tube. So as you can see, there's like little bristles here. So what you do is twist the bottom of this. There's going to be some blue cleaning fluid that comes up. You get the bristles wet and then you rub it all over your ring. So here's my ring. Beautiful, sparkly. But now I'm going to use this on it, and I'm going to be right back. So all I did was get this wet, and I'm just going to go around, get in there, clean the diamond itself, clean around it, get it nice. Get it nice and sudsy. And this is gentle enough that it's not going to scratch or tarnish or really damage it at all. So that's basically all it needs. Just rinse your ring off with lukewarm water and I will show you how gorgeous it looks. Here is my ring now. So I'm not sure if you guys can see the sparkle. I'm going to do a side-by-side clip. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it helpful. And if you don't have one of these and you have a diamond ring, you need to get it right away. That is your mission, is to click down on that link down below and purchase that bad boy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And until my next video, bye!